June 14th, 2009. We are in Baca County, Colorado, in the extreme southeast corner of Colorado. We're about to get on a severe thunderstorm and a developing supercell. All right, we're now stuck in the mud, waiting for the core to pass over us. We pulled off the road and it was all mud.
It looks like you're in a hurricane.
Here's the car. It went off in this.
It went off, yeah.
Vehicle.
I'm gonna back up.
Can you get it? Can you unwind it? Oh my gosh. There's a storm. Okay, we're coming into Ulysses. The storm is intensifying. It's taking on an incredible inflow. Huge RFD. Yeah, oh yeah. Wow, that is beautiful. Turn it on, there we go. Got a tornado on the ground. Beautiful tornado.
Tornado on the ground, tornado on the ground.
Just east of Ulysses, Kansas. Hold on right here. Hold it. It's moving toward us. It's moving toward us. Okay.
Shit's right there next to us.
Let me get out the window.
Incredible. Oh wow!
Yeah. Definitely takes it.
Oh wow!
Oh my God! Look at that!
Look at that! I need a warning on this. We need to call someone.
Yeah.
Call Dodge City.
Here, I'll call the website.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We have a tornado on the ground, 6 miles northwest on Sublette. Sublette, yeah, tornado.
Debris cloud on the ground.
It's pretty big actually.
It's going to rain right now. There's debris cloud on the ground. Okay. You're welcome.
Yeah, it's gone right now. It was definitely occluding when we saw it. It might have been rain wrapped there for a little while.
Oh, there. He was in the funnel.
Damn. This is Thomas right here.
Yeah, it's me.
At 5:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a confirmed tornado.
That's Thomas.
That's me. That's the whole bezel, right?
I think. Yeah, I think so.
There's
Still getting wind toward it. Yeah. Yeah, it's probably trying to redevelop down here.
yeah.